back to the online class. The last class we discussed about the chapter of Kalpana Chawla, an Indian American woman in space. Today we are here to discuss about the same chapter, not about the chapter, its activities. Now we are going to discuss about the activities. Are you ready? Shall we go? Let's start our activity section by doing some text work. Question. Listen to the section A, answer the following question and read the question. Where was Kalpana Chawla born? Why is she called an Indian American? Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, Haryana. We already learned from our chapter that she is an Indian and she was born in Karnal in Haryana. Move to the second question. Why is she called an Indian American? She got married to an American citizen and thus became a naturalized American. So she is called an Indian American. She married an American citizen, Jean Pierre Harrison, her flight instructor, and that's how she became a naturalized American. Thus she is known as she is an American, Indian American. Let's move to the second question. When and why did she go to the US? Who did she marry? I think you can answer to the second question. Okay, listen. She went to the US for studies in aeronautical engineering. She married flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison. Why she went to US? She wanted to take master degree in aeronautical engineering, and after that, from there she got married to the flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison. Third question. How did she become an astronaut? What gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut? She applied for NASA's Space Shuttle program and got hired as a research scientist at NASA. She was then selected for training as an astronaut in 1994. At first, she applied for the Space Shuttle program. Then, she hired as a research scientist at NASA. At last, she was then selected for the training as an astronaut in 1994. Moving to the fourth question. What abilities must an astronaut have according to the journalist? According to the journalist, one needs to know a lot about everything: biology, astrophysics, aeronautical engineering to be an astronaut. The journalist already told that a person who wants an encyclopedic knowledge, that means he or she wanted to know about everything in the universe. Here he said that he wanted to know a lot about everything, especially biology, astrophysics and aeronautical engineering to be an astronaut. Fifth question. Describe Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space. I think it's a very simple question for you. You can read the paragraph 5 and collect the answer. Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space lasted 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. She went around the Earth for 252 times, traveling 10.75 kilometers. A Ukrainian and a Japanese astronaut were also among with the crew members. Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space lasted for 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. She went around there 252 times and traveling almost 10.75 kilometers. In that team, that astronaut team, a Ukrainian and a Japanese astronaut was there for doing the experiments. Moving to the sixth question. What does Kalpana Chawla say about pursuing a dream? Do you agree with her that success is possible? Kalpana says that the path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey. A great inspiration from Kalpana Chawla. She says that the path from dream to success does exist. She already told that if you have a dream, if you want to dream success, there is a way to your dream. May you have the vision to find it. You have to find your way to success and you have the courage to get on it. The next question. Do you agree with her that success is possible? Here you wanted to write your suggestion, your opinion. Here I am adding my opinion. Yes, I do agree with her that with vision and courage, success is possible. And from my thought, she was right. And if you have a dream, if you want to dream to success, there is a way to success. Is it clear? Shall we move to the second activity, section B? Listen. Read the newspaper report to find the following facts about the Colombia's ill-fated boys. In the starting of this chapter, there was a newspaper report. I hope you notice it. Go through it and answer the questions given below. Tragedy in space. US space shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US space shuttle Columbia, carrying Indian-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawl and 6 others, broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Sunday, 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 a.m. as it came in for landing. It was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet and traveling over 20,000 kilometers per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It has stayed in orbit for 16 days and the 7-member crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downwards journey, which ended in tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. Let's discuss the question. Question number 1. Date and place of liftoff. Yes, 16 January 2003. Second question. Number of astronauts on board. 7. Third question. Number of days it stayed in space. 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. Question number 4. Number of experiments done by scientists. 80. Question number 5. Date of return journey. 1st February 2003. The last question. Height at which it lost contact. 2 lakh feet. Moving to the next activity, match the following. Read the question and choose the answer. Have you finished? You can check your answer here. The right answer is given here. Moving to the next activity, using these phrases in sentence of your own after finding out their meaning. Here I am giving you the meaning and you have to check it and make your own sentence. Okay, let's move to the next activity. Next activity, activity C. We add un to make opposite. For example, true, untrue. Add un to the word below to make their opposite. Then look up the meaning of the word you have formed in the dictionary. The first one, identified. That will be the opposite, unidentified. Second one, controlled, uncontrolled. Third one, attended, unattended. Fourth one, successful, unsuccessful. Fifth one, important, unimportant. Sixth one, educated, uneducated. Seventh one, interesting, uninteresting. Eighth one, qualified, unqualified. Ninth one, trained, untrained. 10th one, answerable, unanswerable. Last activity, activity B. Given below are some words that are spelled differently in British and American English. Fill in the blanks accordingly. Here, some of the words have British spelling and some of them have American spelling. We have to know both the British and the American spelling. The first one is color. British spelling COLOUR. Then what about the American? Color COLOR. Second thing is labor. LABOUR. Labor. That is a British spelling. And for American, it is LABOR, labor. The third one, traveler, TRAVELLOR, traveler. American spelling TRAVELER, traveler. The fourth one, counselor, COUNSELLOR, counselor. American COUNSELOR, counselor. Fifth one, center, CENTRE, center. American spelling is CENTER, center. Sixth one, theater, THEATRE, theater. That is a British spelling. Then American spelling is THEATER, theater. Seventh one, organize, ORGANIZE, organize. American spelling ORGANIZE, organize. Eighth one, realize, REALISE, that is a British spelling. American spelling is REALIZE, realize. Ninth one, defense, DEFENCE, that is a British spelling. American spelling is DEFENSE, defense. The last one, the 10th one, offense, OFFENCE, that is a British spelling. American spelling is OFFENSE, offense. I hope you understand the difference between both British and American words. Both the meaning are same, but the spelling are changed in both British English and the American English. Collect some more words from both British and American and check it out.